We are going to see about the conducting system of heart. It begins at the right atrium in the top right corner as the sinoatrial node, and it is connected to the AV node via internodal pathways, which are three in number: anterior, posterior and middle. Anterior bundle is known as the Bachmann bundle and the middle bundle is known as Wenckebach bundle. Posterior bundle is known as Thorel bundle. From the AV node, AV bundle arises, which divides into right bundle branch and left bundle branch. From the right bundle branch and the left bundle branch, the Purkinje fibers arises. So, the conduction rate for SA node is 0.05 meter per second and AV node is 0.05 meter per second again, and atrial pathway is 1 meter per second and ventricular muscle is 1 meter per second. The bundle of His is also 1 meter per second. For the Purkinje fibers alone, it is 4 meters per second. So now we are going to see about the AV nodal delay. What is AV nodal delay? AV nodal delay is a delay of the conduction of impulse for 0.1 seconds. It allows the atria to complete its contraction and it helps in proper filling of the ventricles. It decreases in sympathetic stimulation and increases in vagal stimulation. The origin of heart impulse starts at the SA node. It goes to internodal pathway, and from the internodal pathways it goes to the AV node, and from the AV node arises the AV bundle. From the AV bundle it divides into the right and left bundles. From the right and left bundle branches, the Purkinje fibers arises. So now the depolarization of ventricular muscle starts from the left side and it moves downwards and reaches the apex, and then it goes to the middle portion of the septum. The wave of depolarization spreads down the septum to the apex of heart and activates the apex on either side. From the apex, the impulse spreads to the ventricular walls towards the base of the heart at the AV groove. The endocardial surface of the ventricle is activated by Purkinje fibers and the impulses pass from the endocardial surface to the epicardial surface of the ventricle. The last part to be activated is the posterobasal portion of the left ventricle. The posterobasal portion of the left ventricle. Check your understanding of origin and conduction of cardiac impulse by answering the following questions. What is AV nodal delay and what is the effect of sympathetic system and vagal stimulation in AV nodal delay? Now I'll say you the answer. The AV nodal delay is 0.1 seconds, and in sympathetic stimulation the AV nodal delay decreases, and the vagal stimulation the AV nodal delay increases.